Alright. Kuya, kaya mo pa ba yan?
Palabang po natin Kim Chu and Stian Lim.
When your legs don't work, when I can't sweep you off of your feet, would your mouth still remember the taste of my love?
Yes.
Would your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Go, Kim!
Pero may backup.
Happy Valentine's Day po sa inyo lahat. Pero Kim, di ba merong Tagalog version nyo?
Hindi po siya handa, pero nag-ready po siya ng Tagalog version na TikTok.
Try natin yung Tagalog version nyo.
Nabigla lang po siya sa kanta ko.
Oh, mahal ko. Yo! Ikaw lang ang nag-iisa. Sa lahat ng tala, ikaw ay iba. Yakap mo ang hanap sa tuwina at aking kapagtagpo na tayo'y pinagtagpo ng pagkamo. Tayo'y pinagtagpo ng pagkamo. Pinagtagpo ng pagkamo. Kiss! Ano?
Ito na, trivia, hindi po siya handaan.
Ayan na.
Hindi na tinagalog yung singing out
Na
loud.
tayo pinagtahanap ko.
Chinese naman, Chinese.
Oh, ikaw sa Chinese. Yeah.
Chinese siya, record.
Ayan na, okay. So maraming salamat po. And thank you again for coming. Mom, happy Valentine's Day. Lola, happy Valentine's
Happy
Day.
Valentine's.
And to your
Happy
friends.
Valentine's sa lahat ng mga friends namin na nandito.
Sa aming supporters, we love you guys.
Yes, Kat Jill, Kim Chick Global, Tropang Kimoy, Team Kim C, Sean
Angat niyo yung banners nyo. Sunshine Lovers. Kat G. Tropang Kim Uy. KX Angels.
Angels, thank
Sean
you.
Early. Ayan, maraming salamat po. We love you guys.
Alright.
Yun yung pangalan
Happy
ko.
Valentine's Day ulit. And thank you once again, CNM and
Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank you
Enjoy.
so much. Thank
Enjoy
you, bro.
Valentine's
Happy
Day.
Valentine's Day. Thank you, Kimmy. At yung, once again, to the little boy, yung, paalala po ulit, to the parents or the guardians, yung bata po little boy, na 2 years old, ayaw ko sabihin na kanyang pangalan, he is still there, the little boy is still there. So kung gusto nyo po i-claim yung